Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy. And today I'll show you how to install plugins in Safari web browser. So first you need to open a Safari web browser. So Safari, and here you can see there you just click on Safari. So we'll get an preferences. Just go there inside preferences and you have a tab called extension. You just click on that extensions, and here we will get a one button called more extensions. Just click on it, and now so the store is open now. So it will show only Safari extensions. So you can just click on any extension that you want. Like I'm downloading Grammarly now, so I'm installing this one, and enter your password. Yes, it started installing. And also I wanted to install one password. um, Entering my password. Yes, now so Grammarly is added to our browser. You just go to our browser and see view extension. It came now. Now you need to activate this one. You just click on this one here. Yes, turn on. Done. So once that is done, you can see there is a two extensions for there. Right now I have this is Insta Paper, and this is the third one, the one password that I was downloaded the second time, right? So I'm adding that to the, yes, you can see there now. So this is how you install this is how you install extensions in Safari browser. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to Make Easy. Thank you.